Good evening, all. This message goes to Dr. Professor Soludo, Governor of my state, Anambra State. So actually, we tell you well, I can show you of what these new forces see what they are doing. No, I'm not. This is not alleged. This is what actually happened to me, or did I say before me, my experience. I'm at some weeks back, right? Not of them, like let's say a month back. The first call I received from my last born, no school.
Now wow. This soldier na-ekwu this okwu na-ekwu na ama m ife na-enye mura, yes. Amara m ife na-enye mura mere o ji agwa Governor Chukwuma Soludo, the executive governor of Anambra State, this type of okwu na-agwa. Yes, ama ife na-enye mura, but ife ntị is that this soldier na-ekwu kwa mara ka o si ekwu okwu, yes. Ya ma ka o si agwa Governor Chukwuma Soludo okwu na that na ndị udo ga-achị gbapụta Anambra State, that na fa na-arụzi illegal work. Yes, na ndị udo ga-achị with ndị aka odo na-arụzi illegal work na Anambra State, that na is the nwanne nwoke na-apịa about 50,000 naira. Yes, m na-play the full video ka o n'ife dị soja na-ekwu. Yes, with orika ụgwọ na-agwa Governor Chukwuma Soludo njiwe na-asị that na ama m ife na-enye m ụra o ji ekwu this type of okwu. But don't worry, m may play the full video na this place na ka unu n'ife o kwuru. Ka unu n'ife dị soja kwuru. Ma na-ajụ m gị na-ezi m ụra o ji agwa Governor Chukwuma Soludo this type of okwu. Also may play the full video code, but please, when you're watching this video, please don't forget to share and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just watch the video to the end. I'm coming back.
2 times, 2 gunshots. Then until man around, he called me on phone. Now imagine a man around. I came. So then I watch myself. I want to know the reason. This is the second time when I arrested this boy. I don't know why. What did he do? Now governor say was na but this boy showed you his music ID card. He showed his student ID. He told you that he's a musician. This boy is a musician. I want to go with some top artists. You understand? Right from when he was very small, but I tried to stop him, but I couldn't. So I can't pursue career. And from that music, he was able to generate about 2.something million OG. Go everything. Nobody gave him money. Do you understand? Okay. That period, some people there was even testifying that this boy, this boy. Now the videos of this boy. They didn't listen. Imagine I as a military personnel. Now you're these people. I said, I'm not going to go anywhere. No. Now I have to go on. Did I send you? So, never 2,000. I love my brother. I say the other guy. Now I want to go. Initially, I got from 30,000. Now imagine a boy that is not up to 25 years getting on 30,000. How corrupt. This is my state. How corrupt. I know, just say it. No. I love my brother. The other guy, now on behalf of the other guy, I love people. When I all the time I phone my brother new phone call. That's not why I call one. So the boy make a ban something like that. You don't want more. Tell this boy you have to answer. So in the first office, I'm all can in the video or something like that. I never call because I was on call. And I said the 2,000 the friend of the guy was giving them that he refused. Talk for the phone, the guy drove off. Now today, what brought me to this video is today, this evening, my wife called me. One avatar from Asia. On a mail road, no make call. Customer on a phone. So on your phone you go, one of them go to Udoga channel. Phone in the phone about meet here. So on a video. I say thank you on it. You know, Maria before, okay. I say me pay phone here. So I drag my wife, me pay for phone. Me feel the guy phone, I mean. The guy get on a gallery. Where you off? The guy see from gallery, navigate it to message. You just drag my phone and on a KOA gonna message. On that process, my daughter is the kind of person I have. Often I'm married. If you're a man, I drag something with on your man. She will try to fight you. My daughter is not up to 3 years, 2 years. And that fight,
Yes, ndị udo ga-achị enwe right ịsaachị fonu mmadụ. Yes, ndị udo ga-achị enweghị right ịsaachị fonu mmadụ. Gọvanọ Chukwuma Soludo, biko biko biko, anyị laikere ọdụkọ ọrụ ị na-arụ na Anambra steeti. Yes, onweghị na Anambra steeti na-asị na ọ laikere ọrụ ị na-arụ. Yes, ọsọsọ onye name of progress ka sị that na ọ laikere ọrụ ị na-arụ na Anambra steeti. Biko zie ndị Igbo wepụtara ha na-akpọ ndị udo ga-achị uti ndị aka udo. Fa kwesịrị ịga training. Yes, ekwesịrị ịga lecture. Abụrụ everything in the family apụta ha na-take laws into their hands. Yes, this meter man na-akwa akwa so that na nwunye na-aza call. Ọma na ndị udo ga-achị nọ that place, ọ bụ ndị aka udo nọ that place. After ọ na-aza call, ndị apụta so that na o ji phone everyday. Okay, onye udo ga-achị apụta nara phone. Ogo nara phone. Ọsụko check whether on everyday n'eziokwu, check isi ọfụrụ anything. Onye udo ga-achị ọpụtazie gazie na message yazi ka ọ fụ messages ọ dị na phone ya. Ndị udo ga-achị nwee right ịga na message ya. For what reason ka ọ ga-eji nwee right ịga na message ya ka ọ confirm mo ife na message ya. Governor Chukwuma Soludo, we love your good work in Anambra State. Please, ka ndị udo ga-achị aga for training. Yes, ka aga for training. Many of them are illiterate. They didn't understand. Amadi the rules and regulation. Yes, ekwesịghị ga for training, at least proper training, so that they will know how to handle people. And bro, onye ọbụla for self and mess that person up. Yes, we love your good work in Anambra State.